Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this wedding look in dress and brows without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to change the toggle to back and remove all the flowers and then color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then you're going to put on this hairstyle, make it the same color. And for this hairstyle, you're going to do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and also scale. And then put on this hairstyle, make it the same color, and you can adjust it like this, position, rotate, and then scale. And then put on this bang, make it the same color. For this one, you don't need to do adjustment. And put on this hairstyle, you're going to choose no bangs. And for this hairstyle, you do not need to do the adjustment. Okay, and then you're going to put on this flower, make it this color. Okay, done for the hair. And then you're going to put on this heels and make it white. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the changing room. And then I'm going to go to this menu and put on this top from the Madoka set. Okay, for the toggle, you're going to remove the undershirt and bow. And then I'm going to make it glitter for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to combine it with the skirt from the Withered Rose set. This one, guys. Okay, and then we're going to make it glitter as well. Okay, just make it glitter like this for all the selection. Done. And then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area. We're going to combine it with this skirt and we're going to make it white. I'm going to make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. And again, we're going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And if you want guys, you can equip the flower for the accessory. You can add this flower and then you're going to adjust it. I'm going to choose one arm. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this wedding look in dress and brows without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.